The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone had a great night. Ready for a great day. And hopefully we won't have any technical issues today. No mics that stop working, no computer blowing up, no air conditioning issues. So many different things have been happening lately. I think I'm cursed. Anyway, give me a minute here while I move some stuff around and we will take a gander at the markets. And let me just get my music started. My music. My binario beats that probably don't even really work. Wait, they are started. There we go. Just didn't turn up the volume. Pump up the volume. Hey, Juan, how's it going? We'll pull back here at NQ. So, again, we've been rising up overnight. Kind of consolidated during Asia and then dipped here on Europe and then came right back up, and ES is higher than it was yesterday. It's already broken yesterday's highs. Low 42.81, high 42.96. Only about a 15-point range. Seeing if we can get back above that year, the high for the year from 2 days ago, which was 43.05.75. So it's only 10 points away. NQ has not hit yesterday's highs yet. It's low, 14.536, and we've hit a high here just in the last hour, 614. So about 80 points of range. Hey, Mike. Copper been kind of consolidating until this huge candle here. That was a big, beautiful candle there. This is silver. Not sure why I have silver up. Silver and gold. Anywho, sorry. Gold again trying to get above, back up to 2,000. It was consolidating, big dip, back up, now back down. Ultra bond, nice bounce off its 100 EMAs a couple times. Let's see if it breaks. And oil been rising up. 72.72 is its high. And we see natural gas pulling down. So that's where we said stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. We'll see what we can see, what we get, what we get, what we get. Like pull back here. You can see here on, we've been rising up here for about the last 3 hours. Hey, JC. 15-minute chart. Nice blue candles there on the 15 all the way, in the last few hours. How's JC doing today? News today. What do we have? I need to get my news thing reloaded. I haven't reloaded it since I took that week off. We have. I'm doing all right. Today we have U.S. trade balance and Canadian trade balance coming up here in about 25 minutes. And then we have the Bank of Canada rate decision coming up at 10 a.m. Of course, next week we have a whole bunch of news. Dow continuing to move up. See here, we had this big blue pool. And we had this nice blue candle. Now this is all the way back at 3 o'clock, or 4 o'clock Eastern. And you can see here, it's moved up about 70 points on the Dow since. I wasn't awake, but it was nice to take. See a little bit of a pullback here. Purple candle. And then we did have the clouds down here. So I could have been one else taking, but there'll be more opportunities. Today's the last day for the Elite Trader funding sale. If anyone wants to take advantage of that. Got a few more days yet on the Apex sale. And there'll probably be a 2-day break, and then it'll come back. Hey, Leonardo, how's it going? Hey, let's see. We are still connected. Yes. Okay, good. ES pulling back a little bit now as well. Dow as well. Ouch. Platinum heading up. Other folks, if you expect to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Market's a little bit slow. Like we do have a little bit of a news catalyst that in 20 minutes. It's definitely a slow news week before all heck breaks loose next week.
So far, we're just watching the candles form. So are the days of our lives. Uh, Agriculture. Things are a little bit choppy on agriculture. This is something, I mean, this can happen. This is kind of one of the small little drawbacks of my whole engulfing thing. But look at this: engulfing, 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 engulfing. They're like going up and down, trying to outdo one another. Finally breaks there. That would have been the one to take. Sorry about the yawn. Yep. Excuse me a minute. I've been very up and down, JC as well. I'm working on a new system with this engulfing strategy that I have. I haven't perfected it yet, but yeah, I noticed that when I get these engulfing candles, they always work for at least one candle. So I'm trying to figure out how to maybe incorporate that as a strategy. Like, here went sideways and it worked. But like here, this one right here, got one here, worked for one candle. So I'm working on a thought of trying to figure out proper targets and stops where maybe it's more of a scalping thing instead of trying to always get 2 to 1. You can see here I kind of like started mapping it out last night. This was living yesterday, and they had this loss, but like that would have been a win, obviously. Win, win, win. Just taking that one candle, getting out. Win. I don't know. I'm still tweaking it, but I think I got something once I ever figure it out. Morning, Burl. How is Burl today? Anyway, JC, the market's been weird the last few weeks just because of we had all the debt ceiling stuff going on there, and like each day there was a different headline: positive, negative, negative, positive. And now, I don't think anyone could expect the market to continue to rise to these heights. We've entered on the S&P 500. We've entered into the bull market territory now. So I think it's just. Plus, we have the summer slowdown. Volume has probably been less. I mean, I haven't verified that. We can look at that. We can throw a volume chart on here. It's Nasdaq. Hold on. Let's go back to ES daily chart. Let's add some volume. Ooh, that's off the charts. What's going on there? Nope. Oops. Okay. Hold on. ES. And there we go. And volume looks about the same. What about you can see like right there, volume really went down there. Slightly, yeah. You can see how we're definitely doing less volume compared to like, back here. So, volume is down slightly. I wouldn't beat yourself up over over the struggle the last couple of weeks, because it hasn't been normal. Those debt ceiling things and all that. Getting a blue candle here. I'll have a blue. We'll see what happens in the next 2.5 minutes. About 12 minutes till news. Yeah. Or take this candle as long as it stays around here for the next 80 seconds. Say, 6-point candle right now, so not a huge risk. Look at the 1-minute chart. The 1-minute chart kind of gives us pause, though. Look at that, right into the bands. And there's the pullback away from the bands. Let's see how this candle finishes. Weird the different perspectives you get based off time frames. Waiting. See it pulling back here. I did not enter the trade. Let's see if it comes back up. Oh, scale. And it went back to green. I'm not sure though. We're just gonna watch it. Dow though, that would have been a good one to take. Yeah, it's only going to 4. Never mind. 1 minute chart. Now the 1 minute's giving us a nice blue candle there. Oh, there we go. Just hemming and hawing. Probably stay flat until we see what that news wants to do in a few minutes. And there it goes. Look at that. So I was right not to get in so far. The other thing, with working on, this back testing, you can see here, this RSI with the linear regression that I've been using. That's showing the RSI up at 66.8. It's definitely a time to pause and see if you want to, you know, how much further you think it's going to go. Now it's coming down again. Well, actually whipping back up and down. So it ended green, but not by much. See if it continues up. Looks like it's trying. Sounds good, JC. Keep us updated on that. Purple trying to come back down. Definitely seems to be struggling up here. Remember, yesterday's high was 623. And back down. Remember, we've got news coming up in 3 minutes. Don't know what the news will do to the market, but we shall see. Continue to watch. Just pull down here a little bit as we head into the news. A little over an hour to the bell. Wonder if we'll see Ace today. Hopefully Ace didn't find somebody else to watch for my week off. A minute to go. 30 seconds to go even. You see that big pull down on this candle? I mean, by big, it's all of 8 points, but big nonetheless. So far, news is doing nothing. U.S. trade balance negative 74.6, expected negative 75.8. Canadian trade balance 1.94, expected 0.5. So both of those are beats. But obviously the market really don't care, which is kind of what I thought. Well, now we just play what we see. Till the bell. So you can see how, I'm talking about these candles and these engulfings. So here, now we had the white up here, the clouds. And so this has been a nice little pullback here. And so far you can see it hasn't gone above, back above. But you've already taken, going for 5 points here, and then this one. The only reason I didn't with this because of news, I wasn't sure how the news was going to react. Could have went for another 5 points there, down to the EMA. Now it's bouncing on that EMA. Yeah, let's get a green bounce there. So nothing real impactful from the news. And we'll wait for more opportunities. Hey, Jamie. You see Trading View here in front of you on the screen. I'm using Tradovate on this account, but I also use NinjaTrader depending on the account I'm using. I have accounts uh, that use both platforms, but I do all my charting on TradingView. You're welcome. Hey, Avi, how's it going? How's the little one doing, Avi? It's off to college yet? Definitely seems like the market wants to come down. Keeps trying, keeps pushing back down. Yep. Very slow, very choppy. Somebody entertain me. Y'all still hearing me, right? My mic didn't give out again. No, but it looks like it's working. As the candles form, so are the days of our lives. I need new material. There's a writer's strike. I'm trying to break here. Trying to break that 20, but not quite there yet. These are very smaller candles. This is the one we could have got in on. Down from 10 points from that high there. There's the break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that NQ candle. Well, that didn't work right. So we did break that 20 there. Popped up as soon as it did, though. Not popped up. It's up a point and a half. I can't call that a pop-up. Go for 5 points here. See if we can get it. If not, I have a 5 point stop. Taking it based on that last red candle. Yes, yes I am, Jamie. It looks like it is popping back up. That's easier to see that way, guys. There you go. Halfway through this 5-minute candle. And looks like it's going to stop us out. That was a risky one there. Plus, I saw the blue down here. It hasn't stopped us out yet, so. Yeah, it's actually being pushed back down. 90 seconds on this 5-minute candle. Yeah. Push it down. I like the fact that the wick is bigger than the body. Let's see how that corresponds with the next candle. See if we can get moved down. We are about 45 minutes from the bell. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Always feel free to join the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. There we go. I like the looks of that. Okay, let's see if we come back down. Okay, it's using my entry as support. Where will she go? Where will she go? I don't know where it's going. See if anything else is doing anything fun. Copper still coming down. Crude oil pulled back, heading up a little bit. Yes. Ooh, Ultra Bond came down big at its open. Gold still falling. Hey, G. It's gonna be interesting to see where that whole everything that happens with the SEC there. Yep, looks like it's coming back up. And it gets smacked back down a little bit. How you doing today, G? Oh, early morning gym session, huh? Yep, being beaten back down again. 40 seconds on this 5-minute candle. We've been stuck in a 4-point range for the last 10 minutes. Ten minutes till the top of the hour. Hour and 10 minutes away from the Bank of Canada rate decision. Markets are not the lowest asleep. As it just hangs right within a point of my entry. Doesn't want to get below my entry. Not sure what it's afraid of. At this point, I would take just maybe 2 or 3 points instead of the 5 I was hoping for. Yep, coming back up. Testing that EMA again. Finds that it's still kind of impermeable. Big word there for this early in the morning. Not that it's really that early in the morning. Down 3 points now, this. Yep, there we go. There's a burst up. Let's see if it holds. No, it's beaten right back down. We're still stuck in this 4-point range. Just trying to get another head of steam here. Not sure what FMD is. Sounds like it's not good though. We are 5 minutes from the top of the hour. My guess is if we're still in this trade at the top of the hour, it'll go one way or the other to get us out. Oh, there? Maybe? Hey. Move down. Maybe I should have taken the $50 there. Wow. People must be buying moose pelts and maple syrup. We're in profit, but not by a lot. Thinking about closing the trade out right before the top of the hour. We're moving the stop real tight. We'll see. We got a minute 20. Good morning, Crypticon. Back to break even here in this candle. Yep, gave it all back. We're back to negative. Yeah, looks like it's going to stop us out here. That was quick. Yep, there we go. Stop that. Sounds good, Crypt. Rising up here at the top of the hour. Energies are doing. Crude's pulling down. That sounds good, Crypticon. Coming back. There's still, I mean, this is a slow morning. And back down, another purple candle. Ultra Bond trying to bounce here on this 15-minute chart. We'll see what it does. How we all doing out there? Anyone getting anything on this slow morning? Trying to come down. So I think I mean, unless something starts moving quickly, we may end up staying flat until the open. Nub trading regular minis. You're welcome. Feel free to ask any questions you like. If I'm not smart enough to answer them, there'll probably be somebody here that is. Have you done other trading before moving over to futures, or are you brand new to trading? Or newer to trading, I should say. Uh, I've looked at options, just never good at trying to even figure them out. Plus, I don't have money to really put into that. That's why I'm using this prop firm model to try and get funded and trade with their money. Hey, Philip, how's it going? Oh, purple candle, blue candle. It's a nice positive thought there, Mike. Ace, welcome. Welcome back. I really hope that you've remembered to put the trash out the last 2 weeks and it's not like totally filling your house. Ooh, Dow had a big boost there. Nice move up. I was wondering where he was because he was actually on Discord last week. So I was wondering, did he just get that computer, or was it just monitors? No, he got a brand new computer, didn't he? Ouch. Choppity chop chop choppity chop chop. Look at all this chop. Next week will be exciting. This week, not so much. That's basically what I did, Ace. My computer was built by let's see, at that time, a 21-year-old gamer. I bought all the parts, he put it together. And he also told me basically what to buy. Yeah, yes, he was. I will go check those. Nice, G. Like them both. Like them both. Ace. It's yeah. It's mainly typing back and forth. You can do voice chat if you want. It has the option. Has a share a screen option too. I mean, I could live stream from Discord if I wanted to, but the main thing that happens on the MightyOxTrading Discord is just chatting back and forth. It looks like this. I can even show you. Boop, 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 boop. Boom, boom, if I can find my streaming software. Yeah, it's here somewhere. There. Yeah, that's the general chat, MightyOxTrading Discord. Just people talking. Sometimes, like there, I sent a picture of a chart. It's a good question there, G. I don't think I want to hear that guy, that kid start to talk. So, yeah, it's just and then we have various parts of the Discord for different things. Basically, it's the way the old style forums used to be. Well, that was rude. It logged me out. There we go. Back in. 24, yeah, 24/7, and keep talking. And it's not like like here, for at least for me, I gotta constantly be talking over all for the full 3 hours. There, I can come and go, and you know, it not tied to it exactly, and general chat on my Discord is where most of it happens. Are you on the Discord, Ace? If you're on there, I can like. Do you see more stuff now? General chat. Yeah. Wasn't much activity yesterday. And there's some days it's slower, some days there's more. Imad's off right now, doing some family issues, so he's big. I mean, we don't have a lot of activity in the Discord yet. I'm hoping to get it more active. Yeah, that's the last post. I need to try to figure out what your name is there, because you're not Ace. If you're seeing the Discord, you have to be a member. Yeah, definitely one of my goals to get the Discord more active. Bob Anderson's Discord has a lot of activity. Got a rising blue candle here. Rising up. Yes, I do. I had a feeling that was you. Um, by the way, you don't have to use your, like, I don't know if that's your actual name or not, but you could have, like, I don't use my actual name. But I remember seeing that name once before that never verified. I think I kicked it. So I saw it come back and I'm like, I've seen this name before. Okay, good. That's what I figured, just in case. I knew I had seen that name before that didn't verify, and after 30 days of not verifying, I kicked. But once you started talking about it, I had a feeling that was you. So I did the verification for you. As we see this rising up here, biggest candle we've seen in almost an hour. 8 points. 10 minutes from the bell. Hmm. Didn't realize you were a gamer, Ace.
Still not the hugest move here as we wait for the bell. The only PC game I play is RuneScape. I haven't played that in a long time. I need another monitor. So the Dow made a nice move off that blue candle about 15 minutes ago. Boom, boom, boom. 36 up to 47. It was a nice move. Is 10. You can see it's given us, a couple of nice blue candles. This one would have fizzled out. Let's see if the bell gives us any direction.
5 minutes to the bell, folks. Places, everybody. Tomorrow we have jobless claims like a normal on a Thursday, but that's it for tomorrow. And then Fridays, there's no real news. Real quiet before the storm of next week. Hey, Sid, how's it going? Got the car all ready to go for this weekend, Sid? Is this weekend, right? Good. So hopefully some excitement after the bell. 2.5 minutes to go. Ooh, big move down here, right? Well, relatively big move down. 8.5 points down right here before we hear the dingling. All right, good luck on that. Ding, 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 ding. Big move up here on NQ. ES not doing anything though. ES looks frozen for some reason. Oh, it's moving a little bit now, but wow, big move up here on NQ of 20 points. Dow down. Wow, big move on NQ. New high day, I believe, 617. I believe I said the high from yesterday was 623. It is. ES popping up a little bit. Yep, new high. So NQ's above all of yesterday. It reached 694 on Friday. No, Monday. Sorry, Monday. I think that was a good decision anyway, Ace. Dow falling. Now, if you went short on the Dow, you'd be doing well. Big 44-point candle. I kind of didn't expect this. ES only a 3-point candle, so NQ is going wild. ES is going mild, and the Dow's going the opposite direction. Wow, look at this go. 50 points now. Still going. Wow. ES still only up 4 points. But NQ 66. 68. Wow. Trying to get up to its yearly high, which was Monday. And that quickly, I already forgot what I said. 694. Let's see. Hey, look at this. This is the. Oops. What? Here. Oh, there we go. These are the different charts. This is ES. This is NQ. Just totally out of whack. Pulling back just a tad here. Well, more than a tad. Got up to 67s, pulled back to 47. So big fall quick. Now the Dow's trying to catch up. It's all wick, no body. Yep, we're back up. Now up to 673. Still trying. 73 is the high. Close of that 5-minute candle up 77 points. I did not see that coming. Not at all. ES ended up 6 points. Oh, Crypticon, you need to use profit targets. When you have a consistency rule, you have to use profit targets. Nah, I don't think so. He was long, but he can't make more than 30% of his profit target with the consistency rule in Blue Sky. Or else, oh, yeah, Ace was. Yeah, Ace went short. He got out with a tick, yeah. I thought you were talking about Crypticon there, Sid. Sorry. Hey, got your two. Great job. He says a few, but I think he goes in with like 500. No, I'm kidding. Pulling back here. See what agriculture's doing over here. Meal went up. Everything else is kind of icky. Let's take a quick look at everything else. Copper's trying to come up. The currencies are doing well. Gold, big blue candle, up 3 points. Ultravon, Heaven and Holland. Crude oil been coming down. Lean hogs gapped down. Cattle gapped up. And the Russell, also a big move up here. See you later, Crypt. We have pulled back here by about 20 points. Looks like it wants to give some of it back now. But ES is still going up. and now the Dow is green. So it's like the Dow's trying to do the opposite of whatever NQ does. Goes red, goes green, 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 red. Meanwhile, I'm seeing nothing I want to take. Did think about taking that long on ES there, but ugh. We're fading down here on NQ. Big fade, 75 down to 40, so a 35-point fade. Okay, NQ coming right back up. We're trying to. Nice job, Ace. It seems like we're going to try and rise up. I think ES is now close to its yearly high. Yeah, the high for the year, 43.05.75. ES just hit 40.03, 43.04.25, so a point and a half off. NQ still about 20 points off. Still trying to head up. Kind of. Yeah. Ace, they'll never become a sports agent with that. With that, it's like I could have got you 100 million, but they're settling for 2 million. Hey, I like goats. Get a goat, you don't have to worry about cutting your grass. That's why I think it's cute when the goats like get scared and faint. uh, we just we just entered a whole weird realm. We're kind of sideways here on NQ. Yes, pulling back just a tad. And Dow's been pulling back a whole truckload. And crude oil, big boom here. 49 ticks. Ultra bond still heading up. Remember, we have Canadian rate decision coming up in 10 minutes. Gold, nice off that blue candle. Hopefully we can find something to trade. I'm only taking one trade. It really has not been a wonderful day for trading. Ace, I find that sometimes YouTube changes the quality, and you got to go down to the little gear icon and change the quality back to 1080p. Like for some reason, for my even here in the YouTube thing where I watch the quality of the stream, it's set it for 360. So almost identical candles here over the last four. ES still heading up. ES just hit its high of year. High since last April, I believe. April 2022, I mean. Wait, what are we pulling the trigger for? Pulling the trigger on what? Ooh, soybeans, nice move. Oh yeah, soybean oil. Everything went blue on agriculture. Oh. Yeah, Ace, I think you're confusing us all today. I think he means all the grandkids that you have to. I don't know. No, he has like 4,200 grandchildren though, or like 12, I think. No, Ace, he's buying farm equipment. Maybe a breakdown here. Cheaper by the dozen. So we finally see a break here in NQ as it comes down. And coming down rather quickly, I might add. Let me look at the 1 minute. I probably should have, oops, went to the wrong chart on the 1 minute. Try looking at the 1 minute. There was this break of the 20 here, but you can see how this break of the 20 would have failed. That would have been a nice candle there. Still not an easy day to trade. So down, but right back up. We got down to the EMA. There's nothing that's fitting my yeah, my plan. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh, I mean, Dow's sending me a blue candle, but it's not a convincing one. Oh, copper popped up there off of a trigger candle. Darn. Look at the currencies running. I'm assuming that the dollar's not doing well today. Oh, wow. Look at gold. Gold just big move up there. 8-point candle, platinum and silver doing the same. So all metals all of a sudden popped. Canadian rate decision in a little over a minute. Be careful of that. You see here, these blue candles on the Ultra Bond also moving great today. Crude pulling back a tad. Well, there's the Bank of Canada rate decision. Quick spike down, right back up. John before said we would not see much of a reaction here. Oh, the Bank of Canada increased their interest rates by a quarter, 25 basis points, which was unexpected. They expected them to stay still. So that might actually cause the market to move here, but no, not really. Russell's still going up. Music stopped. I need this. Da-da-da-da-da-da. 60 grandkids? No, kidding. Yeah, I know. I was joking. Just being a smart aleck. I'm good at it. Oh, there's a breakdown. So it's given about 2/3, maybe more, 3/4 of that big opening candle back now. And Q's gonna take it all back. And everything's showing red. Burning red. mm. Ace is in rare form today. He must have really missed the stream. Of course, Ace, I've been streaming since Monday, so, I don't know where you were the last 2 days. I want to trade something. I just want to trade something. So sandwich between the 20 and the 100. It's struggling to get back above the 20. Ultra bond coming down. Gold starting to fall. And back up to the 20. About an hour to go on the stream, a little less. I like to get it, see if there's anything else to trade. Took one loss today. It was only a 5-point loss. Nothing too damaging. It's kind of hemming and hawing here at 612. Agriculture was my missed opportunity today. Beautiful move up here with a blue candle and a 20 cross. Corn, also a nice move. Wheat's coming out of its dip there. Silver going crazy. Gold peeling back that big candle. Took a quick trade here. Short. Does not look like it wants to go my way though. Nope. I stopped right there at the... No, it's going to stop me out. I went short based on this candle here when I thought we were going to continue to come down, but it looks like it's not going to. I stopped a little bit above where I wanted it, but that's okay. Okay, stopped out there. That didn't work well. That's okay. Yes, sending a long signal there actually now. We'll try that if it holds. Look at that, coming beating right back down. So this came up, stopped me out, coming back down. So I was right, but it was not going to go with a 20-point stop there. Yep. Now AQ's giving me a purple candle, big wick. And a big, strong move down. So it decided to come back up first, and then it gave me what I was looking for. So we're going to fall now. So it came up, stopped me out, and then dies. So it's giving back that entire candle now from the open and is lower than the open. Still got a ways to go before low of day. But down is definitely the direction we're going. Now I didn't take that purple candle there, and I should have. I was hesitant because of that stop out. You can see this would have been beautiful and quick too. And that's what I need to get better at, is just jumping right back on the horse. Not literally. If I got on a horse, it would die. How else? Yeah, easy for me to say. How's everyone else doing today? We know Ace got his points. IQ got down to 572. It's popped back up to 590. Let's look at the 1 minute chart, see what I've missed here. That would have been a fake out. That would have been a fake out. That would have worked. That wouldn't have not have. Still coming down. Not afraid of falling. Down to 73.25. Hey, Glitch, you made it earlier today. Good to see you. How you doing? Yeah, I'm down today. Been a choppy day until recently. Now we're just kind of free falling. Well, the Dow's trying to bounce again. Free falling. Low of the day for NQ 536. We're at 567. Low for the day on ES 86.25. We're at 91.50. Wow, this is a pretty fast fall here now. After it stopped me out. Wow. Yeah, just absolute bottoming out. Bitcoin falling as well. The Ultra bonds coming down. Wow, big move down by the bonds. Gold, everything's falling. Wow, the yen just gave up a bunch. Well, everything besides agriculture and crude oil. Crude oil's heading up. New low a day on NQ. That quick. As it's given up almost 100 points this hour. Nice, Sid. Almost went short there, Ace. And it must have smelled it because it immediately popped up green. Maybe not. It's coming back down. It's back to red on this candle. Well, slightly. It's indecisive. Be careful with throwing things out the window. You never know who you might hit. Ah, getting warm, getting buggy. Oh, NQ continuing to fall now. NQ trying to bounce. I'm happy being in the AC, so I don't worry about opening windows. And I'm so glad that my AC debacle seems to finally be over. Oh, this is a funny story, Ace. You're gonna love this. So my AC was out, which is part of the other part of the reason why I didn't stream all week last week, besides just needing a mental health break. But um, so I had a portable right next to me that wasn't too loud for me to stream. So anyway, my landlord calls a HVAC shop. They tell them they'll be out Tuesday. They don't ever make it till Wednesday. So, and it's an apprentice. So the guy says, "This is what needed. This is, this is the problem. We'll get the parts. So we'll be back Thursday." So he comes back on Thursday, puts all the parts on. Needed a new board. Needed a new blower. So on. He's down there like 4 or 5 hours. Comes up and says, "I can't get it running. Someone smarter than me is gonna have to come out the next day." Okay, whatever. We're even with the portable, it was like getting up to 88 degrees in the house. And oh, thank you, Sid. I totally forgot about crude. Give me a second. Crude's still going up. So his boss, the owner of the firm, comes out Friday. He gets it running, but we went the exact opposite way. It wouldn't shut off. The house got down to 59 degrees. There's some sort of wire cross, something. It wouldn't respond to the thermostat. Turned the thermostat off. Turned it off, and the thermostat wouldn't turn off. So the stupid thing kept running. Like I said, got down to 59 degrees, absolutely freezing in the house. Finally, he comes out on Monday. Comes back out on Monday. Takes the door off the furnace. It stops doing what it was doing. He says he can't replicate the problem. He played with a couple jumpers and it seems to be fixed. And it does seem to be fixed. It's finally working the way it's supposed to. Illinois, Ace, Illinois. But yeah, so we went from the house being almost 90 degrees to going down to under 60 degrees. But now it seems to be working right. Illinois is a big state, Ace. I think you can say the correct state. Besides, I've put map up. I've put a map up of where I live already when talking about thunderstorms on here. So yeah, I don't really hide where I live. We all live in a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine. Yeah. Looked like it wanted to pop up there, but didn't. Now coming back down. ES trying to come back down, trying to fulfill Ace's short wish there. But yeah, that was quite the adventure. I mean, it was almost 2 full weeks between the time I told my landlord that because the landlord tried to fix it first and didn't. He waited 2 days for a part that didn't fix the problem. So, yeah, adventures in air conditioning. Still falling here, going toward 14,500. I should have taken that short on ES. ES gave me a signal there, and I didn't take it. If I was gonna go to Peoria, it'd be for a minor league baseball game. So there we go, Ace. Now it's going to where you thought it was gonna go. Peoria is like eh, says about an hour and a half from me. I've never been there. About 80 miles. Mark my often correct word. He just continues to fall. This would have been a great. So I missed two opportunities here. One here, one here. This is what I got to stop doing. I got to start taking the opportunity that present themselves. Pawnee. It's about 45 miles. Yes, gotten down to 84. I don't actually ever leave the house, Ace. A little bit of a retreat after hitting 500, 499. Come back up. See, I with my, my leg issues, the lack thereof one, and the mobility issues with that. Um, my house, the front porch has a very steep top step that I can't get back up, and I was never able to afford to be able to get a ramp or anything like that. So if I actually leave the house, I can't get back in. So I literally have not left the house in almost 3 years. My cat's blocking my screen, so if anything exciting happens, let me know. Is the move down losing some oomph? Who are you talking about, Ace? Uh, what are you doing, cat? Hey, stop digging at stuff on my desk. Appreciate if you would exit. Stage right. NQ. NQ has now hit the cat head. Don't know if it's going to go any shorter. Gotten down to 94 now. ES hitting support at the cattail. Oh, Sid, does everyone in your family like to procreate? Excuse me a second. Well, then take a lot of trades and put your target at $40. Down to 488. There we go, Chase. Yeah, sorry. Ace, not Chase. Ace. Got your 4282. Me too, Ace. Me too. Actually, I mean, I missed my. I mean, I got the signal there, and that would have been perfect. Two beautiful signals, one on ES, one on NQ, and I didn't get either of them. They do add up. Just the problem with that glitch is obviously if you have one that goes against you, where's your stop? Like if it goes directly against you before going that far. Dow's popping up with a blue candle there. Now the Dow never really fell as harsh as the others. There's your project for the day, fixing the indicator. Now it seems like my mic has made it through the whole day after giving out midstream yesterday. A bit of a bounce here. So even though I'm down today by about $350 or 320, something like that, it was a successful day because I got Ace on the Discord. It's okay, Ace. It's been fun. Glad to have you. Glad you're back. And if you missed the first 2 days this week, have yourself a great day. Alright, G. Keep that in mind. Agriculture dollar, at least corn. I see corn dying here. Hold on. Big move down there on corn. Look at that. That would been nice. Look at gold. Gold made that huge move up and then gave it all back. Heading toward a low day. Crude, choppy since its inventories. Lean hogs making a nice move up. Live cattle not doing much. Bitcoin falling again. Trying to pop up here a little bit. Have we found the bottom? There's a blue candle, but it's got 3.5 minutes. That's quite the fall. So we hit a high of 675 and got down to 482. It's almost a 200 point fall. Yep, still coming down. All right, good luck, G. More than a 200 point fall now. I really need, this strategy I'm using with the engulfing candles is wonderful, but if I miss it, I need another way to get in on these trends. Let's look at a 1 minute chart. 1 minute, yeah, look at that. The 1 minute would have given me a perfect entry there. Actually, if you look at this move, let's blow up this chart. I said let's blow up this chart. Thank you. This is the whole move. There was the break. This one, it would have worked, but it would have been bad. This one, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Not so perfect. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Still coming. All the way down now to 456. And another, wow, just now, I don't know sure exactly what caused this drop. Was this about the Canadian rate decision? Because, I mean, it started falling before that, but it really took off since. Or was there some sort of headline that was missed? Looking again at Juicy Juice, the financial juice. Maybe it was the bank. I'm gonna have to talk to John DeFore. Said this wouldn't matter to the markets. Yes, that's it. I did. Nice trend lines. See how I see how they're working like perfectly. Very nice. You do very well, Sid. A lot of people here do. One day I will too. I just hope it's before I go senile. That's senile, not go see the Nile. A good job coming back from red. We are really far down here. Yeah, that's the 15-minute chart. Just the 15, you can see it didn't really. It was that one candle from the open, and then just it fell. Broke the third band there, big time. This might be the reversal. For some reason, my cat's starving for attention right now. Starving. So that's what we're going to call it today. I want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for another 3 hours of fun and excitement. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.